Hello everyone, this is Reggie Daan. I'm going to do common greetings using ASL. Let's start! Number 1, I am. I am. Number 2, my name. My name. Number 3, hello. Hello. Number 4, hi. Hi. Number 5, thank you. Thank you. Number 6, welcome. Welcome. Number 7, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Number 8, good morning. Good morning. Number 9, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Number 10, good evening. Good evening. Number 11, good night. Good night. Number 12, what's up? What's up? Number 13, thank you. Thank you. Number 14, me. Me. Number 15, you. You. And those are the common greetings using ASL. Thank you so much and have a nice day.